Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I've talked about Bing, I've talked about Midjourney, so now I'm going to talk to you about ChatGPT. So up here I'm in ChatGPT 4. 3.5 is basically where you can ask for ideas and different things like that. But ChatGPT 4 has DALL-E, which is what they use to create images. And you do have to have the paid version of ChatGPT to have access to DALL-E and make images. All right. So over here on the side, I'm going to just hit this down arrow. You wouldn't have all of this. I just have different um, things going on over here in my sidebar. But if you have to hit that arrow, you hit that arrow. Or over on the side, you might just see Dal E, right? So you'll click on Dal E, and it said, "Let me turn your imagination into imagery." So down here in the message area, you'll type what you want to make, right? So let's see if I can think of something. An airbrushed digital illustration of a beautiful African American chibi style woman with big brown eyes, wearing glasses, with a short, bald haircut. She is wearing a purple jumpsuit with black heels, um, silver hoop earrings, a long silver necklace, and her fingers are adorned with silver jewelry. I think that's it. Let's try that. Now, it took me a while to get to this point to writing prompts because when I first started, even with Midjourney, I had no idea what to type in. I was so lost. That's why I ran over to Etsy and I bought prompt guides, right? Because I had no idea what I wanted to type. I didn't know how to type things to get the ball faded hair style. I'm in different AI groups on Facebook. I had to ask people, okay, how do I get this hairstyle? Because I would type in faded hairstyle, tapered haircut, and I would not get this style at all. So it took me some time to learn how to write prompts. Um, and prompt writing is basically you just looking at something and you describing what it is you see. That's pretty much what prompt writing is. But I learned, and I'm still learning through prompt guides, and I've even made my own prompt guide. So I'm putting what I've learned into practice. So here's my image. ChatGPT usually gives you two images. There are ways to get more than two images. I haven't quite learned that yet, but if you click on the image, right? It'll bring it up so you can see it. If you want to download it, you can download the image by hitting the down arrow. If you click this little eye here, it gives you the prompt. But I don't know if you noticed, um, it's written slightly different from the way that I wrote this. Um, So here's a tip. You can copy this prompt and you can go back here in the message and paste it, and it's an entirely different prompt. And you can use let's say you want to make your own prompt guide, you can use the prompt from this image and put it in a prompt guide. And whatever image it gives you, that's the image that you would put in your prompt guide. And I'll show you what a prompt guide looks like. Um, but like I was saying, that's how I learned how to prompt. And I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to prompt. I'm not an expert, but I know how to get what I want in an image. All right, so she's cute, right? Isn't she adorable? Right? So if I wanted to make a prompt guide, a chibi girl prompt guide, I would take this prompt, and because it's a little bit more detailed than mine, and I would put that in a prompt guide. Um, so let me show you real quick a prompt guide. This is one of mine. This is a coloring book prompt guide, right? And it is compatible with ChatGPT and Midjourney. You will get something completely different from Midjourney. Um, you have the little read me section because we want people to be aware of certain things. Um, here's some bonuses. Here's some ChatGPT bonuses to help. Here's some YouTube resources, some keywords for research. But here are the prompts. So I would basically copy that prompt, paste it here, and then paste one, and then add the image here. So people will see um, an example of an image they could get using the prompt that I pasted over here. And the one thing about AI, you never get the same image twice. So this prompt guide has 10 prompts that go with it. And then there's another one with this one, my favorite. I call it Faded Beauties. Um, and these are different images that you can get using the prompt guide. And I'll scroll down to the prompts. So you can see the different images of examples that you could get using the prompt guide. Now, disclaimer, I'm no way trying to sell you my prompt guides. um, but just letting you know, me buying prompt guides off of Etsy, and I have a Creative Fabrica subscription. There are prompt guides on Creative Fabrica. I would use those prompt guides to help me figure out how I wanted to craft my the prompts and the images that I wanted to see. So let's try something different. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of the prompts from this prompt guide, and I'm gonna copy and paste it. I'm going to paste it here just to see what we get. And just creating the image for you. Y'all, look at this. So this is the image from the prompt guide, and this is the image that ChatGPT gave me. I'm in love. I'm getting ready to download these right now. You can also download them from here. I'm in love, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at her hair. So that's the beauty of a prompt guide, but also if you are creative, if your mind just doesn't have any limits, you can type anything in here and get an image. Let me also download these while I'm talking. um, I do like to download all of my images. Some people say that their images have disappeared, but I still have all of my images from day one, so I still download them. So let's go a different route. Uh, let's see. Let's try some clip art. I did clip art in Midjourney. Let's try some clip art. Colorful tie-dye Um, uh, Bomber jacket clip art. And let's see if you remember the images that I did from Midjourney. Let's see how it compares in ChatGPT. All right, so here's the image of a colorful tie-dye bomber jacket. I also tried a colorful tie-dye spiral notebook. So this brings out the detail a little bit more than Midjourney did. Um, but the images, are about the same quality. I just say that ChatGPT sometimes brings out a little bit more detail in the images. Uh, let's see if I can show you the Midjourney images real quick. Then we'll do one more prompt, and then I'll let you go. All right, so here's the ChatGPT bomber jacket, and see if I can get it. Here is the Midjourney bomber jacket. This is more clip art. They're close, they're similar, but you see the other details that ChatGPT has. And then here's the spiral notebook from ChatGPT, and here's the spiral notebook from Midjourney. Right. So the images aren't too far off um, in terms of clip art. So um, my Grammarly is giving me notes. So here's a prompt that I was typing while I was waiting on the images to generate. And this is an airbrushed digital illustration of a bulldog having a romantic Lord, dinner with a poodle with a Valentine's Day theme. He presented her with a bouquet of roses. He is wearing a tuxedo, a top hat, and she is wearing a beautiful red gown. Let's see what happens. Y'all, look at this. That is too cute. Oh my goodness, not the off the shoulder. That is too cute, y'all. So, like I said, the sky is the limit. Whatever your imagination can come up with, you can type it in DALL-E. I am not an affiliate. I didn't say that at the top of the video, but I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not making any money off of this. Uh, I just wanted to share this with you because I'm hooked. When I say I'm hooked, I am hooked. I will make sure that I put all of the prompts that I used in this video in the description box below. I'll also link my shop with my prompt guides if you're interested in those. Um, but try this out if you have ChatGPT. Again, it's $20 a month. If you don't have it, my tip for you is to put the prompts in Bing, and because Bing is free. But again, you can't use the images from Bing commercially, so you can't sell them. But ChatGPT and Bing are very similar in the images that they create. You can take the prompts that I'm going to post in the description box below, pop them into Bing, and see what you get. But if you have ChatGPT, definitely use ChatGPT and even Midjourney. Pop the prompts in Midjourney and see what you get, or any of the free AI sites. Leonardo is free, and Playground AI is free. Um, and I do think you can use those commercially. You just have to give them credit. Make sure you read their policies. But I do believe, I know they have free versions. I'll say that. They do have free versions. But thank you so much for coming along with me. I just wanted to share this with you. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. I will see you in the next one.